everybody. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Just want to bring you up to date on some of the changes that we've made since our last video. We are here at K2 Motor Cars here in Jupiter, Florida, and we have gone through the polish process, the PPF application, and also the ceramic coating for the vehicle. So she's all shiny and looking new. She still only has about 650 miles on her. You still got a little bit more braking time, a couple more 100 miles until we can get to that 9,000 sweet RPM rev limit. But just wanted to kind of bring you up to date on where we're at with the car currently. I have opted to go with the Manthey Performance Kit for the Cayman GT4RS, starting with certainly the windshield banner, which you can easily see. We did a custom logo for the Manthey banner, which would be sepia brown, which is the color theme for the Porsche, and then a little bit of yellow trim on the vehicle, on the decal itself. And great thanks to Superior Decal in Fort Lauderdale, who did a lot of the decal work on the GT4RS for us. Moving around just to show you a couple of the highlights, differences for the Manthey Performance Kit. We're going to start certainly with our front tow hook. It's the Manthey designed front tow hook. And moving back around, the tow hook also, just to let you know, I think there were 3 colors, came in red, yellow, and I think maybe there was a gray color. But obviously with the yellow highlights on the vehicle, yellow certainly was my choice. And moving a little further back, we now have for the Manthey Performance Kit what we call canards, or little winglets, which will help the airflow coming off the vehicle. So a little bit different than the OEM application. And moving a little further back, we now also have the Manthey carbon fiber louvers, which is an addition to the total package for the Manthey kit, which I opted for. The actual OEM is basically two little hoops here, and they're plastic. So this is certainly a nice upgrade to help match certainly the carbon fiber on the hood and the car itself. We now have the Manthey Aero wheel disc package for the rear wheel. A little bit different shape than the GT3RSs. The GT3RS will tend to have a much flatter surface, but with the Cayman GT4RS, they have opted to go with something a little bit more in a contour, so that as that airflow comes back off the side of the car, it's going to kick that air back out past the rear wheel and out the back of the vehicle. Once again, with Superior Decal, great thanks. We did a little custom work. So as you can see, the trim is sepia brown again, and then yellow, which is my favorite color to match the sepia brown. Coming back to the rear of the vehicle, the rear wing is different. The Manthey wing from the OEM. The OEM factory wing was a flatter wing, flatter surface. Where here with the Manthey, we got a little bit more of a contour on left and right. As you can see, this kind of dips down a little bit more as opposed to going flat across. So once again, taking the airflow off the side of the car, pushing it back up off the wing and off the back of the car. It is a little bit larger end plate also, and it's all one piece carbon fiber with a little gurney nut. The stanchions for the wing, swan neck as they call it, is OEM. That was not changed. Also, one additional item that we added to the Manthey kit was the carbon fiber gurney lip. And along with the front louvers and the gurney lip, once again, that was an option that you could add onto the Manthey Performance Kit itself. And outside of the Manthey kit, just to kind of point out, our personalized South Florida license plate shows the model number 718 and RS2. Her sister car back at the storage unit, the Spider RS, is 718 RS1. So I've got an RS1 and an RS2. Okay, we talked a little bit about the exterior components for the Manthey kit. Now we're going to talk just briefly about some of the undercarriage components that come with the Manthey kit. First and foremost, the belly pan basically had plastic up underneath. Now we have a full carbon fiber Manthey undercarriage belly pan, which is just beautifully done. Also with the Manthey kit, stainless steel brake lines coilovers on all four corners. In regards to the motor, engine package, everything stayed OEM, no changes. So basically, 4-liter flat six, 493 horsepower. No stage tune, basically just stock drivetrain and motor package. Big thanks to K2 Motor Cars here in Jupiter, Florida, for allowing us to come in and do the photo shoot that we're doing right now. So big thank you to Will, Tim, Eli, and the team here at K2 Motor Cars. Just to give you guys a little bit of heads up also, this weekend we've got a couple of car shows coming up. Saturday will be the K2 Motor Cars Cars and Coffee. Going to be a really nice turnout, nice weather, probably a couple hundred cars. And then on Sunday is the Gulfstream Porsche Region annual picnic at one of our local parks here. They've got registered about 100 plus Porsches will be part of the event. Lots of sponsorships. So hopefully we'll get some footage of that for you also in the video. So stay tuned. Appreciate you being here with us. And please hit that subscription button if you will. Thank you.